Whether you choose the elegant appeal of Ledgestone or the versatile charm of Rockmount, each collection offers something special. Hi, welcome to another Tile Mart episode. I'm Julie, Ireland, a design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. Today, we're diving into the world of exterior facades. Your home's exterior is the first thing that people see, so why not make a lasting impression? In this video, we'll explore two stunning collections we carry at Tile Mart that are perfect for creating your dream exterior. First up, we have a porcelain ledgestone. This comes from Tile Mart's modern ledgestone panel collection. What I absolutely adore about these panels is their ability to infuse architectural texture and elegance into any space. They are great for a fireplace, a focal wall, an outdoor barbecue, or even the exterior elevation of your home. Pros? They're incredibly durable and easy to install, making them a fantastic pick for both DIY enthusiasts and pros alike. Cons? They require a bit more care to keep them looking their best, so here's a few quick maintenance tips to help you. First of all, you want to keep them clean by regularly dusting or spraying them off with a soft brush or a hose, and make sure that you apply a sealer regularly to help protect them against moisture and stains. Tile Mart's modern ledgestone panels are perfect for creating that seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Next, we have this beautiful limestone from Rockmount series. This limestone collection is all about luxury and elegance. What I love about this limestone is the texture and the reflective qualities that you can brighten up your space with, making it feel larger and more open. It's breathtaking and extremely durable, and it's perfect for adding a luxurious touch to your home's exterior. Like all stone materials, regular cleaning and sealing are essential for maintenance. Next, we have our largest collection of natural ledgestone, the Rockmount Stacked Stone collection from MSI. These panels come in 34 different blends of stone, making them incredibly versatile, fitting into a wide range of design themes from rustic to ultra-modern. They offer a multi-dimensional look that can really make your exterior or interior home pop. And they have matching corner pieces too, so you can really achieve that high-end designer look. They're durable, and like all natural stones, they just need to be sealed and kept clean to maintain them. There you have it. Whether you choose the elegant appeal of Ledgestone or the versatile charm of Rockmount, each collection offers something special. Remember, the key is to choose a facade that not only reflects your style, but also meets your practical needs. If you need more help or personalized advice, don't hesitate to reach out or visit tilemart.com. And remember to like, follow, and subscribe, and let's make your home the envy of the neighborhood. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.